Hi. Hi, everybody. This pleases me. Hi, everybody. Adam Savage in my cave. We are doing a motor restoration today. Behind the scenes, this day has kind of gotten away from me. Like there's been a bunch of little meetings, and so nothing was able to quite get done. And then those meetings moved, which meant more things couldn't get done. And then those meetings moved again. Anyway, I canceled my afternoon meeting so I could just spend a couple of hours, 3-4 hours doing this thing, which we're gonna do a little motor restoration today. I've got here a Racine Jeweler's Lathe motor that I picked up at an eBay auction. And it is effectively, it's got this sewing machine pedal and this plug, you know what a plug looks like. But here are the wire ends of all of these. This works. I did turn it on without, I plugged it in so that I didn't have to touch it to turn it on because this feels like an electro hazard waiting to happen. But I've got this beautiful motor and what I would like to do is restore it. So I'm gonna pull it apart, gonna clean all of its parts and pieces. I'm gonna put it back together. And at some point in the future, it will power my watchmaker's lathe. Yeah, there you go. So I've got a lot of my watch lathe parts here on the table. I'm gonna pack some of them up. It's not this lathe, this is just an extra that I ended up with. So let's see here. Those. And these go there. This came as part of an eBay auction, this little bit, and this is just somebody's aluminum drawer that they bent to hold things. I love stuff like this. I love getting something like this from another shop. It's like a quick and dirty solution. One might notice, if one paid attention, that's a terrible way to put it. If one paid attention, one might notice that this motor had a crackle finish. I plan to restore that crackle finish with one of these two cans, either the Fast Black or the Wrinkle Plus. I don't know which one is better. I know, you're yelling at me right now. You know which one is better. I don't. So I'm going to mix these both up. I'm going to spray them on a piece of aluminum, and I'm going to put them in my lab oven for a little while and see which one yields a better crackle. Right. That's mixed. Ooh, what? Horizontally back and forth, applying, avoid runs, caused by excessive play, apply 2 of these coats, 2 minutes apart, moving vertically through this process, the design around coats are complete. All right. Yeah, it may be that I'm just using, this because its nozzle is so much better shape, and this might just be too old. But I'm going to put this in my oven. Actually, I'm going to give this one more coat here. Great. That's 3 coats. And we're going to put it in the oven and see how it goes. Oh, I'm curious how one takes this apart. And I don't seem to have my flashlight with me. Oh, okay. I think I'm going to have to grind that out. Yeah. So... Oh, you know what I can do first up? This. Yeah, 1 and 2. Great. You don't want to move, do you? Well, then I'll just drill you out from this side too. You're rusted in place. Hey, that worked beautifully. When does that ever happen? Come on. There you go. Okay. Cardboard insulator. Look at that beautiful giant hunk of porcelain. That's gorgeous. That is fantastic. Okay. That's our, yeah. Oh, you are a smaller size, are you?
I need a different size, thank you.
I can do it out of this one. I get a little bit of... Oh, look, this has already been repaired by someone. How cute. So, into this one goes that, and then... Okay, great. Yeah, it's a really, really straightforward construction. Just 2 wires. One there and one there. Come on. Okay, great. Let's wire brush this puppy. We're gonna hit this with a wire brush. Now here are the 3 pieces of the foot pedal, and I'm pretty pleased. Oh, I'm gonna check my crackle. Dude, look at that. Yeah, that one's no good, but that one's fantastic. And that's 3 coats. I could even do more. Awesome! All right, so I am, oh right, I gotta clean up the inside of that a little bit. Yeah, okay, cool. So we'll put these over there. And we're gonna start to take this puppy apart. Oh my God. Oh my God. Great, I'm so happy about this business. That's fabulous. All right, so I've gotten the main parts of the motor apart, the back, the front, the base. It is now time to clean these pieces up and what the? Wait, something's missing. Hang on. I almost lost one of the graphite brushes, one of the few pieces I would not be able to assemble this motor without. I mean, I could make another one, but I don't want to. So I'm going to take these parts and clean them up on the wire brush, and then I'm going to crackle finish them, and I'm going to start to reassemble this puppy. Yeah, here we go. You're hardened? Are you kidding me? All right. That's not moving anywhere, so we're just going to do another one here. Oh yeah, great. That's what we'll do. We'll do it that way. All right. So here is the piece ready for painting. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Let's see how our lab oven is doing. What? Oh, that's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna break it out and let that one cool down. Look at those. Okay, I'm gonna let them go just a little bit longer. Look at that, they all look so pretty. I'm so happy. Oh, so exciting. All right, this is the fun / scary part. Because it's time to put everything back together. I don't know about you, but whenever I watch repair videos, I feel so stressed out when they're taking everything apart and throwing all of the screws in one bucket. There's a video of someone doing a full refurbish on a Bridgeport milling head, and they just have this wire basket. Every screwdriver, every screw they pop out, they throw it in the wire basket. And they're gonna, clean everything. That makes total sense, but it just terrifies me looking at all those bolts. I lay everything out so I can see exactly how it goes back together. Anyway, this is when I'm going to put everything back together and hope that it all starts up again. Yeah, that is what I'm going to hope. So I'm going to work on the wiring first, and then the, yeah, and then the, yeah, no, that, yeah, okay, that's that. Oh, right, okay, this is one thing that I do need. I need to make a, Great. So the first thing I needed to do is to make a new pin that goes through here, and through the spring that lives here. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to make that out of steel. Okay, all right. So I have made a pin. I have put a screw in one side of it, and now I have the spring and all that for this working just beautifully. Really, 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 really happy with this. So now we go towards putting in the resistor. Oh. Great. And the way this works is it does uh-huh. All right, great. So then these come in like that. And these come in like that. Great. Lovely. Operation still happening. Okay. Okay, now there's this business. So let's this business. Gets a little bit of this going on. And also that. Okay. All right. So that's that. And one of those goes to here. Now I need a plug. In the eye of the hurricane, there is quiet for just a moment. No yellow sky. I was 17, a hurricane destroyed my town. I didn't drown. I couldn't seem to die. I rode my way out. I wrote everything down far as I can see. I rode my way out. Looked up and the town had its eyes on me. The pastor played around. Oh. Yeah, that's still going. Okay. Okay. So we're going to do this. And connect that with this. And we're going to do this. And we're going to twist these together. That's not plugged in, right? Nope, it's not. I'm going to twist these together here. That should provide enough torquage. Because I always apply maximum torquage. So this should be. Hold on. This is a test. Okay, this is only a test. Is this correct? Yeah. Unplugging. Swap these in case that's part of the thing. I know I should have logged which way it went when I took it apart. I simply forgot. It's unplugged. Yep. Let's try reversing these. Oh, right. Of course it didn't work because I don't have the brushes in because I'm a dummy. Okay. I just forgot one last part. That's that. And then we have the, yes, I've got to do that part. So let's do that. Oh, no! No! I did not just do that. Okay. Oh my God, I have no idea where it went. Ha! Oh my God. There is weird justice in the world that I found that. Bang, there it is. Oh my God, this is crazy. I should not be so rewarded for my. Okay. Let's try this again, and this time I'll use the on switch as well, because that's also plugged in. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. All right. Let's just see if we're getting some power coming in. Voltage AC. Yeah. That's lovely. Let's unplug that and make an adjustment. And last looks. Very happy. Okay. I love this little wire nut so much, I'm going to use it. Yeah. Look at this vintage wire nut. It's so pretty. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. We're going to chop off the top of you. Great. And then we're going to tin you up. We're going to tin you up. Those two guys, what you tuned up last week. All right, here we go. Lovely. I think that's the last. No, it's not the last bit of soldering, but it's certainly, yeah. Yep. Got a little bit of cloth tape on there. Cover you over. And now your motor is ready, Gladys. Okay, and then there's this guy, which also gets some strain relief, which should actually be a smaller piece and smallened. I'm just going to give it a little bit like that. There we go. Oh! Oh! Messed up. Oh, no, that will not work as strain relief. I need a different kind. Do I have a different kind? Do you have another one? Do I not have any of those little doodads? Is that possible? Okay, well, this will do. All right, here comes another test. Here comes another test. Plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Oh, that's a reverse switch. Oh my God, that is so freaking cool. It's working. Okay, it's totally working. It's working. The very last thing I'm doing is putting on the label. On the label. Okay, let me give you a close-up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do one more plug in. Plug it in. That's fantastic. It's already a little bit dinged up, but it's got a reverse switch. That is great. Oh, nice. Hey. I'm going to go so far. Sorry. We're going to wrap this up. I'm going to go so far as to say this is the most fun restoration I have ever done of an old piece of equipment. And being able to make it look this pretty, I know that's not exactly level. Sorry about that. To make it look this pretty is just very, very, very gratifying. The handle here is gorgeous. I love this big chunk of porcelain in here. I'm a very happy camper. It's been a week. Thank you guys for joining me for this one-day build. And I will see you later. Thanks for joining. Thank you so much for watching that video. Your support allows us to make more of this great content. If you'd like to help us on a deeper level even, head over to tested-store.com because we've got stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Our anime-inspired Tested logo in Japanese. Follow the process, not the plan. It's not a process. It's not a problem to solve. It's a process to manage. Other aphorisms that have come from my mouth. And we have just made a full set of our demerit badges in sticker form. So you can cover your toolbox with all of your screw-ups and celebrate it with other makers. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.